long way around. But definitely looked busy enough to enjoy. So does this place. It's like a faux place. Faux's not a bad idea right now. I am kind of fauxed out because, well, I've been double fauxing. Double fauxing the last couple days, double fauxing. We got a little bit more to walk, I guess. The sidewalks here make me a little more dangerous. Not stuff popping up like in Bangkok, but holes that you can fall into. I kind of like it better here. I'd rather step in a hole right now than stub my toe again. I've stubbed my toe on so many pieces of brick. Where's he coming from? Where's he coming from? What the fuck? It's like these people don't like to be filmed. Oh, I smell fried chicken. I smell fried chicken. Did I just walk by fried chicken? No, that's pig and cow. Wind's coming from this way, folks. We got fried chicken down here. You betcha, baby. Didn't find the fried chicken lady, but I found the fried chicken guy. Oh yeah. I got a half chicken, I got a full leg, and I got 2 wings. Gonna grab something other than a beer on the way home. And yeah, I'm a happy dog now. Happy dog.